Alhambra Beach is one of the most beautiful beaches here in Dubai. And like the picture of the year, we have a lot of prizes to be given away. 5 pictures will shine this year as we open the 2008 Pictures of the Year. Are you excited to what are the prizes of this year's Picture of the Year?
Aside from the honor and prestige to be called the Picture of the Year, each winners will be receiving the following prizes. 4th place will receive 60 pesos. 3rd place will receive 70 pesos. 2nd place will be receiving 80 pesos. 1st place will receive 100 pesos. And the 2008 Picture of the Year will be receiving 250 pesos in cash. All prizes will be shared by the model and the photographer respectively. It really pays to be the 2008 Picture of the Year.